This is going to be my background paper. This is a blue sky, and this is going to be our ground. So what I want to do is tear this paper. This is the paper bag. Now paper bags sometimes have printing on one side, so I'm using the plain side. And I'm going to glue this here. This is going to be the dirty ground, the muddy ground. If you have a glue stick, you can use that. I'm using Elmer's. And I'm going to put this at the bottom of my blue paper. Okay, so that's the ground. Now, in order to make the digger, the tractor, I'm going to move this aside for a minute. Ooh, thunder outside. So this is going to be the shape for my tractor. You're going to need a straight line at the top. It's going to come down like this, over like this, down here, over like this, and sort of in an angle down to here. See if you can draw that. Straight at the top, straight at the bottom, an angle, straight across, and another angle. And now I'm going to cut this shape out. I'm going to try to cut it so that my pencil lines don't show. You can always erase them later. So this is going to be the basic shape of my digger. And I'm going to put it here. I want you to notice that he's sort of above the dirt line, the horizon line, right, where the ground meets the sky, because we're going to put some big wheels down here that will be resting on the dirt. But we're not done with this part yet. We also need a rectangle, sort of a long, thin one, maybe like this. And this is going to go here. Okay, so we'll add a little glue. And I'm going to put this here. We're going to need another rectangle here. And I'll cut another one. Maybe not quite so long. And this is going to go here. Starting to rain here by me. It's very cloudy and I'm hearing some thunder. So now I'm going to draw, using my circle template, I'm going to draw a circle on the yellow paper, okay? I'm going to cut it out. And now we want to draw a few lines on this and cut it a little bit more. So I'm going to make a line that goes sort of part of the way across the middle. And then it's going to come like this. Okay? And I'm going to cut right on those lines. So this is going to be this part of the digger. This is like the scoop that picks up the dirt. So far, this is what we should have, okay? Let's do some big black wheels. So I have two circle templates. One is real big. I feel like that's a little bit too big. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to cut it out. Remember, when you cut a circle, as you close the scissors, you turn the paper with your other hand. Nice and slow. Okay, and this wheel's going to go back here. All right, now let's do a smaller circle. I have this, so I'm going to trace one that's a little bit smaller than this one. Maybe I'll do this size. Now, I use all kinds of things for circle templates. Lids for jars, lids for bottles like lemonade. This is my lemonade lid. You all know I have a bunch of these at school. Anything. You can look around your house and find all kinds of circles to trace, I'm sure. Cutting out the smaller wheel. The smaller wheel goes in the front. And I'm going to put this here. There we go. Ooh, he looks cool. All right. Now, I think what I'd like to do is cut 2 smaller yellow circles to go in the middle of my wheels. I'm going to do it by hand. You can draw a circle or trace a circle and then put it down. There is one. I'll make a bigger one for the back tire. I bet it's fun to drive these things and dig with them. I never did. And let's see. I'm gonna put this one here. Now, when there's someone in here driving this and controlling it, they need a window to look out of. So I'm gonna use this paper. And I wanna kind of make the shape come right in here. So it's going to be similar. You're going to have a straight top. You're going to come down and across. So the angles on the side are kind of the same as these angles. This is going to go here. There we go. There's our window. Now, for the fun part. Diggers dig dirt, right? So I have this left over from my paper bag that I used for this, and I'm going to tear a bunch of little pieces that I'm going to glue down for the dirt. Not too small, or it'll take you forever. So what I want to do is put these down here, and I'm going to make some of them coming right out of the digger. And there we go. There's our tractor. Have fun. Load it up to Flipgrid and show me. I miss you a lot. Bye.